Class and Study Mastery, 16 Hacks for Academic Excellence. Life hack: establish partnerships with individuals in every class you attend. Build connections with classmates to secure access to shared notes in your absence and enlist their assistance in posing questions during class presentations. Life hack: preview the material before each class. Previewing class content enhances your memory retention. Life hack: preview the material before each class. Avoid overlooking details or rushing through note-taking. Instead, immerse your mind in the subject, capturing particularly significant points that stand out to you. Life hack: inquire whenever needed. Seek clarity rather than staying confused. Chances are, other students share your questions, and asking them can also enhance your reputation with professors. Life hack: read sincerely. Full engagement in reading with curiosity enhances long-term retention, unlike just skimming through the material. Life hack: incorporate a range of colors while note-taking. Enhance visual memory by using multiple favorite colors instead of sticking to a single dull color. Life hack: eliminate distractions. Prevent online distractions by utilizing apps like Freedom to temporarily block access to social media and preferred websites during study or class sessions. Life hack: incorporate physical activity before or during study sessions. Boost information retention by incorporating exercise. A leisurely walk while listening to recorded lectures or self-quizzing with flashcards can be effective. Life hack: schedule regular study breaks. Limit study sessions to 30 to 90 minutes to avoid mental and physical exhaustion, and keep breaks under 20 minutes to maintain momentum. Life hack: consider joining study groups if studying alone is challenging for you. Prevents being perceived as a weak link, and provides opportunities to reinforce your understanding by mentoring or teaching others. Life hack: incorporate a unique scent or flavor of gum while studying. Recreate the same gum flavor or scent during exams to facilitate easier recall of studied material. Life hack: make use of quiet periods on campus. Utilize quieter study spaces during times when students are likely to be sleeping in or off campus, such as weekend mornings or holidays. Life hack: communicate with your professor if you're lagging behind. Notify your professor early for timely assistance, as they can likely help you catch up during their office hours. Life hack: utilize Google Scholar. This tool streamlines the search for reliable academic studies and papers online by filtering out untrustworthy sources. Life hack: utilize Google Translate to find errors in your college essays and reports. Enhance proofreading by copying and pasting your text into an online tool that reads it back to you, allowing you to identify errors, flow issues, and enhance clarity. Life hack: practice brain dumps. Boost exam preparation by recalling and jotting down everything you know about the subject before reviewing notes, uncovering gaps or errors for correction. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.